Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node.js, NPM, and a reachable MongoDB instance. Once confirmed, initialize your project with npm init and install the official MongoDB driver or Mongoose. Next, create a env file and paste your MongoDB URI there. This keeps credentials out of code. Make sure to add .env to load env values or configure your deployment secrets. These first steps get your environment ready so you can write the connection code without surprises. Once done with setup, open your main module and load .env so MongoDB URI is available. If using the MongoDB driver, import Mongo client and write an async connect function that awaits client. Connect. If using Mongoose, call Mongoose. Connect URI options. Pass options such as use new URL parser and use unified topology to avoid deprecation warnings. Make sure to export the connected client or models so other modules reuse the same connection, preventing multiple connections in server environments. To finish, write a small test that inserts and queries a document, log the outcome, then close or reuse the connection as appropriate. Make sure your deployment uses the correct environment-specific URI and tune connection timeouts or pool size for load. If something goes wrong, first verify the connection string, IP whitelist or network access, and credentials. Next, confirm your driver version matches server features. A common troubleshooting step is enabling detailed driver logs and trying a local Mongo shell connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.